When I think of Edinburgh, I think of Scottish people, haggis and really nice buildings.
When I think of Blackpool, I think of holidays and donuts.
When I think of Belfast, I think of bombs and the Titanic.
When I think of Essex, I think of fake tan, fake boobs and a really bad accent.
When I think of London, I think of a concrete jungle full of art, culture and diversity.
When I think of Wales, I think of sheep, beautiful countryside, Welsh people and Cardiff.
When I think of Dewsbury, I think of Asians, Shannon Matthews and lots of chavs.
Hello, I'm Sophie Cooper and the extracts you have just seen are all part of our YouTube series named Nothing Like It Sounds. We really need your help to get the programme, the series on YouTube broadcast to whatever the widest audience possible. So if you're interested in revealing what places are really like and people's expectations of these places, then feel free to donate your money and we'd greatly appreciate it if you can.